Alright, so we're going to be taking a look at two commands, our random 10 numbers and our random evens. So for our random 10, we are going to go ahead and do randy for random, and then we're going to go ahead and put it in parentheses to signify the equation, as well as brackets. This is what we're going to want to do. We're going to want our numbers to be between 1 and 100, and then we're going to go comma, and then we're going to go 1, comma 10. And this is just going to basically signify that we want one column of 10 digits. We're going to enter, we're going to run that. Bam, there's that. And then we're going to look at our random even. So we're going to use that. And so we're going to use our random 10 as the outside and multiply. And then here we're going to do random to signify whether we want even or odd. In this case, we're going to do even. And then we're going to add like it's a comma formation. So we do a random 10, comma 2 to signify we want something even. We only want evens. And there we go, equals 0, also signifying evens. We're going to go ahead and do our parentheses, and bam, all done.